Hey, what's going on? For those who are interested in making soft plastic bait, I just want to say you don't need much to start this hobby. And let me show you what I have here. The setup is pretty simple. Here I have some measuring cups. The material here inside is the remelt from the used or recycled plastic bait. You just cut it up and heat it up. I got this microwave from the used marketplace. And also, if you don't want to use the remelt, you can use the plastisol, or you can mix both. The plastisol, I got it from the Dead on Plastics. And when you heat it up, make sure you have some breathing protection and a fan for ventilation. If you are making the baits from the plastisol, because it's clear, you will need to add some colorant. I got this from eBay. And also add some glitters. I got those from Michael's. You will need some molds, either open molds or injected molds. I make those molds from a 3D printer, but you can get those from different companies that make the metal molds. You will need to have an injector to shoot the mold if you are using the closed mold. Make sure you wear the gloves because those are hot when it's coming out from the microwave. You will need an infrared thermometer to measure the temperature of the plastisol when you heat it up. I like to clamp my molds down with the wood blocks when I shoot the plastisol. This can reduce the flashing. Yeah, this is pretty much what I have. Like I said, you don't need to spend too much to start this hobby. So if you're wondering what you need to start, there you have it. So, happy bait making. Peace.